No, it's you. You don't have a sense of humor.
I do have a sense. I have a wonderful sense of humor. If you say something funny, I'll laugh. You know?
All right, I'm gonna tell you a great joke.
Please. I love jokes.
All right, little boy on his 13th birthday. It's time to get laid.
Already feels inappropriate.
So he goes to the lady at the warehouse. He goes, Miss, look, I know usually you want money, but I don't have any money. It's my birthday. You think I could have sex with you for this duck?
Was he a farmer?
No,
That's probably a health code violation. Bring a duck into a place of prostitution.
They were gonna have sex with the duck.
No, I just mean a health code violation to have the duck brought into a facility like that.
So anyway, she says, yes, I'll do it. She goes in there, gives it to her.
He gives her what?
The
Duck?
high, hard one.
Oh.
She loves it. He goes, you know what? If you do that again, I'll give you your duck back. It's like getting laid
I'm
twice
sorry.
for free.
So I'm so sorry. The duck is payment for
Yes.
sexual intercourse.
Yes. He
Very good.
used the duck as payment, and now he's being paid back the duck. It was, oh my God, this is the greatest birthday ever. He does it again. Now he's walking home, right?
So she was satisfied with a duck as currency.
Yes.
To her, great. Okay.
So he's walking home. Now he can't wait to get home to tell his father, right? He's walking down the street with the duck, and all of a sudden, truck comes by and runs over his duck.
Kills the duck?
Killed the duck.
So the duck is now dead.
The duck is dead. The kid starts crying. The truck driver stops. He's all upset. He didn't.
Of course he's crying. He's a 13-year-old boy. He's just had sex twice, and he watched his beloved duck die.
You shut up and let me tell the story.
So far, I don't know how this is ever going to be funny.
The guy feels so bad about killing the duck, he gives him $2.
And the kid's happy with the $2?
He's ecstatic. He got laid twice, and now he's got $2 on top of it.
Seems like a duck would be worth a lot more than $2.
This was a while back. So he goes home. His dad goes, what happened? What happened? Tell me. He goes, Dad, I got a fuck for the duck. I got a duck for the fuck. And I got $2 for a fucked up duck.
So it's like a limerick.
You didn't think that was funny?
I thought it was entertaining at the end, sure. The way all the words were put together, but in terms of content, no.
Get the check, Jack. From Chin Chin. Let's get out of here.